Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I would help make your lives
a little bit easier
and show you guys some tips and tricks and what I kind of do if I were to try to cut back on some time and outsource my video editing and things for YouTube. So if you want to see how I do this, then please just keep on watching. You guys are super busy, so I want to help make your experience and content creation as easy as possible. I'll be talking about a website today called Fiverr, and what Fiverr basically is a platform, or sorry, a website that you can go to where there's all these freelancers and whatever, and you can go and find a video editor or someone to help like create logos, someone to help create your channel
background thingy.
And yeah, you can get all of this done and you can find someone for like $5 to do it. That's right.
Only $5.
So yeah, honestly, like you can get all this stuff done and you don't have to break the bank, which is so nice because I know that it's like nice to save a little bit of money here and there and like you don't want to pay out of your ass to get shit done, you know what I'm saying? So a couple of things that you're going to want to look out for before you purchase a service from someone is what their star rating is. The sellers can be rated between 1 to 5 stars. And then you're also going to want to look in the little brackets and see how many of that service they've sold. And then it'll give you a better idea of if that person is a good seller to buy from. And then if you think that person would work for you, then you just send them a message and, you know, work out like a deal with them or whatever. Fiverr's also nice because you don't have to break the bank in order to get like a new logo and stuff created, especially if you're a new business and you don't really know where to start and you don't have like the extra cash laying around to just like throw for a super expensive like graphic designer. Once you find a product price that you like and a seller that you like, the next thing that you're going to want to look at is delivery time. So if you need something done within a couple of days, then you're going to want to look for someone that can deliver the product that you're looking for between 1 to 2 business days. But it's super simple, and yeah, that's basically all I wanted to talk to you guys about. It's a super quick video, but
Fiverr's honestly, it saved my life so many times.
Also, shameless plug, if you need help editing videos for YouTube, for a beauty channel, or vlogging, or gaming, then please feel free to message me. I'd love to help you guys out. I'm going to be linking Fiverr down below if you guys want to check it out and take your content game up to the next level, then feel free to check it out. If you found this video helpful, then please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.